Somebody want to know, what am I going to do with this here chicken breast? I only got one chicken breast, so I don't have 5, 10, 15 chicken breasts. Just one chicken breast that I'm splitting in half. And I'm also going to take this chicken breast after I done split it in half. Of course I clean the chicken breast. Come on here, y'all. I clean the chicken breast, but now I want to go ahead and cut this one chicken breast up into chunks. That's all I'm using is one chicken breast. But somebody's still asking, hey, what kind of recipes he's gonna do with this here chicken breast. But if you want to see this, you got to stick with me and watch this video. I'm telling you, it's gonna be phenomenal. Now our chicken breasts are already cut up into chunks. I only use one chicken breast. Let's go ahead with the ingredients right now. So right now I'm gonna start this off with some olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil. And then I got some garlic powder and some cumin powder. And I'm going to toss in some paprika seasoning and some onion powder, along with some chili powder. And now we're going to go ahead and just mix this baby up, okay? That's all you want to do for right now. And then we're going to go ahead and set this to the side. I got a non-stick skillet and I'm tossing in a few slices of bacon. And what I want to do now, I just want to render some of this fat from the bacon and just pretty much brown it off. You know what I'm saying? While our bacon is still cooking, I want you to go ahead and take that meat, that seasoned meat, that one cut of chicken fillet breast, and throw it into the pot as well. We're going to go ahead and cook these both together, okay? So I want you to brown the chicken along with the bacon until they are cooked together. Now what we're going to do is take some of this minced garlic. So this is a mixture of minced garlic and parsley mixed together that I bought. Just take you some garlic and some parsley and put it into the skillet and cook that parsley down for at least around about a good 2 minutes. All right, but I want you to continue to go ahead and just still cook this up until your meat turn brown. All right, and it's not going to hurt anything. Trust and believe me, you're going to love this dish. Now our meat is brown up. I want you to take at least around about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Then I also want you to take some heavy cream. I'm using some of this premium 40% A-grade heavy cream, and just pour enough just around the meat, okay? Just enough that's gonna cover the meat around. And then I want you to go ahead and cook this on medium-high heat until it comes to a slight simmer. Once it comes to a slight simmer, I want you to go ahead and go to the next step, okay? Now we're gonna add some black pepper. And we're going to toss in some of this here, the usual. You can find this at Walmart. This is created by Smoking Society company. Now I want you to go ahead and give this a nice little mix. And it's looking good. I'm telling you right now, it's looking so divine. So right now I went on and I cooked me some linguine noodles ahead of time. All you have to do is just prepare your favorite noodles, whatever type of noodles you like to go with this particular dish. I'm telling you something right now. If you like this here bacon and chicken Alfredo pasta dish, man, I'm telling you, you will definitely love it. Trust and believe me, you can't go wrong with it. So I added some fresh parsley with this. And I'm going ahead and I'm just taking this here particular dish and spreading it right over top of the pasta. I only use one filleted chicken breast, so you don't have to use a whole lot. This is a good meal for 1 or 2 people. So I'm going to add in some of this here garlic and cheese seasoning. And on top of that garlic and cheese seasoning, I want to go ahead and just add just a little bit of the red pepper flakes. This will give me a nice little spicy taste to finish up this here dish, y'all. One thing that you have to do is you have to give this recipe a try. Trust and believe me, it's something about that bacon flavor that came out so well with that sauce. And along with that, the chicken was nice and tender. And if you want to cook this for 3 or 4 more people, just go ahead and add at least around about 3 breasts to it, or 2 breasts to it, and cut it up in chunks. As you can see, this still was enough to feed about 2 people, and it was a good hearty recipe. So if you could give this recipe a try, comment below, let me know if you like this here recipe. It's an easy and simple recipe to try. And I guarantee you, you and your significant other will definitely love this recipe. Is this a good recipe to do for Valentine's Day? Of course it is. And it's simple and plain, but it tastes so good. I wish you guys could taste this right now, all right? I want to say thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also become a Ray Mack family member by hitting that subscribe button. And if you do subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know that you subscribe. And I really would like to comment, and I want to answer your comments by saying thank you. All right, I want to reply to your comments by saying thank you. Love and not hate. Love somebody, but hate nobody. Peace.